Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. If you are looking to upgrade the quality of your kitchen's tap water, you definitely need to check out this Waterdrop stand fit under sink water filtration system. Our water really tastes noticeably better. The filter efficiently gets rid of all of the chlorine and those unwanted impurities. We use it now for just about everything in the kitchen. The rinsing of our produce, watering our houseplants, filling up our dog's water bowl, and even when I clean with it, I notice that there's much less residue left behind. And if you're intimidated about the installation process, don't be. This was one of the easiest plumbing installs at our house yet. There was absolutely no drilling, and it was just really a couple rerouting of cold water hoses and a twist and lock setup, and it was good to go. Oh, and it runs super quietly too. We could literally forget it's even running down there. So it's a good thing that it lets us know when it's time to change the filter with a soft beeping noise and a red indicator light. We have just been loving this under sink water filtration system by Waterdrop. The only regret we have about it is that we didn't install it much sooner. And that's our point of view.